In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight tickets online on booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to review your options so you can book with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official booking.com website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar blue-themed homepage. If you arrive via a search engine, make sure you're clicking the official result rather than an advertisement pointing somewhere else. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page and select Flights. This switches you from hotels to the flight search experience. On the Flights page, you'll see the main search panel, often introduced with a line like, "Compare and book cheap flights with ease." Click into that area to begin your search. Next, click the Travel Dates field to open the calendar. This is where you set when you want to fly. Before finalizing dates, think about whether you're booking a one-way or round-trip ticket and whether you have flexibility by a day or two. Flexible dates can sometimes surface better prices. Now choose your date and location. In the From box, start typing your departure city or airport and select the correct option from the suggestions. In the To box, do the same for your destination. Confirm you've picked the right airports, especially in cities with multiple options. Set the number of travelers and the cabin class if needed. Then, select your outbound date on the calendar, and if you're booking a return, pick your return date as well. Double check that the month and year are correct and that your chosen dates appear in the fields before moving on. When your details look right, click the button that says something like Explore and book your flight. Booking.com will search available airlines and routes, then show you a list of results. Here you can compare options by total travel time, number of stops, departure and arrival times, and price. Use the filters to narrow things down and expand any result to see layover details and baggage information. Pay attention to whether the fare includes a carry-on, a checked bag, or neither, as that can affect the true cost. After you've chosen the itinerary that fits your plans and budget, proceed to book. Enter each traveler's details exactly as they appear on government ID, add your contact information, and review fare rules and cancellation terms. Complete payment, then wait for the confirmation page and email. Keep that confirmation handy for check-in and any changes you might need later. And that's it. Your flight is booked on booking.com.